Since 1988, CVTmarketing.com has been producing national productions that get their clients and clients' products recognized throughout the world. From TV broadcast-ready high-definition automobile commercials, to on-demand web videos of petroleum transport companies, to steel manufacturing, to one-of-a-kind unique Riverwalk marketing productions, to builders videos, to real estate website marketing. CVTmarketing.com delivers. Discover the ultimate pathway to marketing your business, products, or services. A national look at a local price. CVTmarketing.com.
An 18-wheeler fully loaded can weigh as much as 80,000 pounds. They take longer to slow down, more difficult to turn, and can carry payloads that shift if not properly secured. There are rules and regulations that govern the hours and number of days a driver of an 18-wheeler is permitted to drive. It is the company's responsibility to make sure drivers adhere to these rules, also known as the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulations. Because companies are under great demands for timely shipments, they sometimes push their drivers to drive longer hours than allowed. In an effort to meet company timelines and avoid industry sanctions, thousands of drivers are not entering correct hours into their logbook. As a result, there are a lot of fatigued drivers on the road when they should not be driving at all. In fact, the leading cause of trucking accidents is driver fatigue. Federal and state safety rules govern who can drive this type of truck, when they can drive it, how many hours they can and cannot drive, and the maintenance of these vehicles. This system was designed to set a safe standard to protect their drivers and everyone else on the road. When truckers and trucking companies turn a blind eye and cut these safety corners, they endanger all of us. An automobile does not stand a chance against a big truck in an accident. At Van Sant Law, we enforce the rules to make the roads safer for all of us. If you've been injured by a company who has placed priority on their profits rather than your safety, it's time to take action now before it's too late. Make the right call, Van Sant Law. If you've been injured in an accident, anyone can settle your claim, but we will make sure you're fairly compensated.
I was injured and David got me $350,000.
They settled my case for $308,000.
Make the right call, Van Sant Law.
I was hit by a drunk driver and had $3,500 in medical expenses. I'm glad I made the call. David got me $497,900.
Don't settle for less. Get what you deserve. Make the right call, Van Sant Law.
With more drivers on their smartphones texting and tweeting, it's no wonder why accidents are skyrocketing.
Out of nowhere, a drunk driver hit me from behind. I knew that I not only had an attorney beside me, but a friend as well.
That's the JBJ team approach. We live by it, and you'll win by it.
I was involved in a serious accident and was injured.
Bryce was listed as one of the top 100 trial lawyers in the nation.
The kind of lawyer you want on your side.
I'll stand up for you against the big insurance companies. Call the Angel Law Firm today.
You've been involved in a terrible accident. You've been injured, and now you need an attorney. We promise to represent your interest, not ours. We'll keep you informed every step along the way. We will provide you with experienced legal representation. We won't stop fighting until you win.
Insurance companies try to put a limit on what they pay accident victims.
I would not settle for that.
I would not settle for less.
I almost settled for less. Then I found Van Sant Law.
Don't settle for less. Get what you deserve. Make the right call, Van Sant Law.
If you've been injured in a car accident and are dealing with medical bills and lost wages, we'll help you take your life back.
I felt overwhelmed. I'm helpless.
They took the time to understand my situation.
Don't delay. Call JBJ for a free consultation.
The shock of losing a loved one can leave a family both emotionally and financially devastated. Knowing that your family member's death could have been prevented if another person had been more cautious makes the situation even harder to deal with. We'll sit with you to discuss your matters so you can learn more about your legal rights and the options you have. When you choose the Angel Law Firm, we'll fight tirelessly to represent your interests while providing you personal attention every step of the way. From your initial consultation to the settlement of your case, I will personally be your lawyer. If you've been injured, don't delay. Call me today. I can't promise you a big dollar settlement, but I will promise you that we will treat you like family, keep you informed, and get you the best settlement possible to get your life back. If you've been injured, don't delay. Call the Angel Law Firm today. When someone gets behind the wheel of a car after drinking, he or she is placing both his or her own life and the lives of everyone else on the road in danger. Such a careless choice should not go without redress, particularly when other people are injured or killed because of a reckless decision. If you've been the victim or have lost a loved one due to a Georgia drunk driving auto accident, you need someone on your side to help you navigate the legal system. We understand the hardship and uncertainty you're facing as a result of your accident, and we're ready to help you get compensated. If you've been injured, call the Angel Law Firm today. In addition to physical injuries, many auto accident victims struggle with financial and emotional hardships. If you or a loved one has been involved in a car crash, we urge you to call our firm immediately so we can protect your rights. Leaving your fate to the insurance companies could be a mistake. Fact is, insurance companies are highly skilled at protecting their own interests, not yours. From your initial consultation to the settlement of your case, I will personally be your lawyer. If you've been injured, don't delay, call me today. Many victims of auto, motorcycle, and truck accidents in Georgia try to handle their own personal injury cases, hoping that the insurance companies involved will settle promptly and fairly. Unfortunately, most insurance companies don't respond in that manner. Sometimes the insurance companies only pay attention to their obligations to their stockholders and policyholders, not to people injured in a Georgia car accident. This is the reason you need an experienced Georgia accident lawyer on your side. If you've been injured, I want to be your lawyer. Please don't delay. Call the Angel Law Firm today.
A $47 million verdict awarded to an Angel Law Firm client.
$325,000 received in a slip and fall case.
A recent $7 million accident verdict for the Angel Law Firm.
I was proud to be represented by Bryce Angel and his experienced law team.
I was very impressed with how Bryce Angel and his team handled my case.
I received excellent service and a great settlement.
From the initial consultation to the settlement of your case, I will personally be your lawyer. If you've been injured, call the Angel Law Firm today.
My husband referred me to the Angel Law Firm after my accident because they did such a great job with him. And I am so glad that he did refer me because they took excellent care of me as well.
They took the time to understand my situation.
They understood how this accident impacted our lives.
They supported us every step of the way.
Every approach along the way, I knew that I not only had an attorney beside me, but a friend as well.
The Angel Law Firm took care of everything, which took the stress off of me. They were very professional and knew what they were doing. This wasn't their first rodeo. I really enjoyed working with them. I would absolutely recommend the Angel Law Firm and their professional staff. I would give them 2 thumbs up.
After my accident, I didn't know what to expect or what I was getting into. The Angel Law Firm understood and put everything in layman's terms of what I could expect. Bryce really went the extra mile for me and provided a very favorable outcome.
I am really thankful for everything they did for me. At first I tried to deal with the insurance companies on my own, but I wasn't getting anywhere. I was very impressed with how Bryce Angel and his team handled my case. With them on my side, I could concentrate on myself and my recovery.
It was my first time dealing with attorneys, but I could not have been in better hands. They really had my best interest at heart. The Angel Law Firm is a group of strong, caring, and determined attorneys. I knew that from the first meeting, they were experienced legal professionals who understood how to get the best possible outcome just for me. I would highly recommend the Angel Law Firm. They truly care about their clients' well-being. My entire experience with Bryce and his team was first rate. It was great that they had my own interest at heart. I will always be appreciative of their guidance.
I would tell anyone that the Angel Law Firm knows what it is like to be in an accident, and they will fully support you above and beyond to settle your case. That's the kind of attorney you want on your side.
As a professional business person for many years, lawsuit was not in my vocabulary. Then I was involved in a very serious accident. my friend told me to call the Angel Law Firm. Their experience and ability to gain a quick settlement paid for the car I had to buy and replace the savings I lost due to the accident. Because of Bryce and his team of seasoned law professionals, I now have my life back.
Suddenly, a car turned left in front of me at an intersection, and it was absolutely terrifying. My car was totaled, I had several injuries. I just felt so stressed the whole recovery process until the Angel Law Firm came and helped me out with everything. They took care of all the things I needed, and it took a huge weight off of my shoulders. I just felt so grateful, and you could say an angel was on my side.
I wanted a lawyer who would listen to me and make a plan based on my needs. Having such strong legal support made a big difference. I was very impressed with how Bryce Angel and his team handled my case. With them on my side, I could concentrate on myself and my recovery.
A friend referred me to the Angel Law Firm. I met with them and was very impressed. Bryce and his assistants were great. They really pushed hard for me. I received excellent service and a great settlement, and I've already referred others to them.